Hi, my name is Flora from Design by Flora, and today I'll be demonstrating how to make your human hair wig fresh. You're going to start with your Design by Flora detangler. You want to shake it up really good. Give a light spray. When you are using a regular iron that's not wet to dry, you want to make sure you dry out the detangler as much as possible before ironing. And you do not have to re-iron the whole wig. All you need to do is go over the top layer. And you could do that on a completely dirty wig, and it will diffuse the oils back into the hair. Now, if you are working with a virgin hair, which this is, you could use your straight iron all the way up on high. If you're working with processed hair, keep it on medium to low. This one is virgin hair. I just raised it. It works much better when the iron is on its highest setting. And the rule of thumb is to get a good iron would be anything over $100 is usually good. You never want to buy a cheap iron. There's many names out there, so just do your research. I don't recommend one over the other. We use several in the salon. Some are wet to dry, some are regular. And your wig looks like the day you had it washed. My name is Flora from Design by Flora, and thank you for watching.